Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can import your bio in Threads Instagram app. Okay, so you know that Threads is a Twitter alternative. Instagram brought this app, and if you want to import all the information which you put in Instagram, then you can easily do it. So in this video you're gonna learn how to import uh, a bio from Instagram. So I'm gonna click uh, a Threads app. So you have to click Threads app, and once you click there, then you will get the interface, home interface, and then click here. Here you can see the human icon. So simply click bottom right corner on your screen. So once you click there, then you will see here edit profile. So here you can see edit profile. So I'm gonna click edit profile and then click bio. Here you can see the bio option. Okay, so simply click on bio. Once you click bio, then you'll see the import bio from Instagram account. Okay, this one. So like this one. So once you click import bio from Instagram, then your Instagram bio will be set here. Okay, so it's really easy and short tutorial for you. Just keep watching the next video. So okay friend, today is Noma, and thank you for watching the video.